Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and going along with me on this journey as I restore this 1988 Jeep YJ Wrangler. I thought I'd take some time to tell you about the 5 things that I love about this car. The first thing that I love about this car is the driving experience. There's not much to the car. It's manual, no power steering, very analog, nothing digital about it, I guess with the exception of the radio that I installed. So whenever you're driving it, you're really one with the car. It allows you to be a little bit more engaged when you're driving the car. There's no cruise control, so it's not like you just set it and forget it. You're going through all the gears as you're driving, and it makes it really fun. The second thing I love about my YJ is it's perfect for every time of the year. When it's winter, you have the all-terrain tires on it, so you can go off-roading, you can go through the snow. It has 4-wheel drive capability. It's great for the winter. When it's summer, you can drop the top, you have a convertible, and if it rains, you can throw a top on the car. So really great for any time of the year, any kind of conditions. The third thing I love about the YJ is how easy it is to work on. It's very basic. So anytime you need to change anything on it, it's really just it's like Legos. You just undo the old part and put the new part on. And there's not much else to it. That's why I've been able to do so many of the upgrades and so many of the tune-ups myself, because it really is simple and you don't need computer systems. The fourth thing I love about the YJ is how customizable it is and how many aftermarket parts there are. There are so many Jeeps on the road and not many of them look exactly alike because there's so many ways to customize these cars. Suspension, interior, exterior, bumpers, lights. There's an aftermarket part for just about any part on the Jeep. So you can really make it your own. And then finally, the fifth thing I love about the YJ is the Jeep community. Very similar to driving a motorcycle. Whenever you're on a motorcycle and you see someone else on a motorcycle passing you, you put your hand out. Well, with YJs, people throw the shaka or the peace sign, or they at least wave. It's funny because in just about any other car I've ever been in, there's not really that on-road camaraderie between other drivers. But with the Jeep, almost 90% of the time someone's gonna wave back or they're gonna be waving at you first. And people love to talk about their Jeeps. If you ever have a question about your Wrangler, you can easily hop on a forum and get information. The info out there is in abundance. Also, I feel like a lot of old Jeep owners have really good stories behind their cars, so it's always fun to talk about them. So those are the 5 things that I love about my YJ. Again, it's the driving experience. It's good for any time of the year. They're easy to work on. They're customizable. And also the Jeep community. For those of you Jeep owners watching, if there are other things that you love about your Wrangler, leave them in the comment section below. Again, thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.